everyone, in this tutorial we will try to create this fake rotating camera shot in Adobe Premiere Pro. Nowadays rotating camera shots is very popular in music videos. Instead of an actual rotating camera upside down, we will try to fake a similar shot in Adobe Premiere Pro. We will do a little bit cropping and rotating in our video. We will take a clip on the timeline. Initially, we will flip this 180 degrees upside down in the Effects Control panel using the rotation adjustment. Now, what we have is upside down video completely. We will add a keyframe at the beginning here by clicking that stopwatch icon. We will move forward a few seconds and slowly rotate the video back to 0. We can see the problem of black part with doing this. So we lost a lot of part on the side cropped. We can fix this increasing size here around 200. Scale it up enough so that it doesn't crop anymore. However, at a certain point, we would like to reset what we scaled up to normal, near the end of the rotation. We will add a keyframe on the scale and then just slowly take it back to lower and go back to normal. We will make sure it doesn't look too fast or suddenly appear. It should be smooth. If you have liked this video, please leave a like, and if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the new videos.